I'm in the school of thought that as soon as you are ready, start releasing. And for me, ready simply means you have got a portfolio of music at the quality of the labels that you want to submit to, and you are consistently writing music at that quality as well. And the reason for this is that there are one-hit wonder situations where people get a release and they don't have anything to back it up. And sometimes labels will say to you, hey, you know what, I like this one track, I don't like the other one, I want to make an EP, what else have you got? And that can half heap the pressure on you in the studio. So I recommend having a handful of tracks ready to go and know that you've got more in the locker you're able to produce at that level. Now, the other school of thought is, no, don't hold on to your music. Wait until you're at a really high quality and then start releasing it. Now, I don't subscribe to that. One of the most common and classic arguments that's pushed forward from people with that view is, well, you might regret it. You might look back and go, oh, well, that tune's nowhere near as good as I am now. I wish I hadn't have put it out. The deal is you're always going to be getting better, right? And I'd ask you this. If you were to go and look at one of your favourite artists and you were to go back a few years and some of their music wasn't up to scratch compared to what they're doing now, would you be like, oh, God, they're rubbish, I'm not listening to their music? I mean, if you're a promoter, would you say, well, God, blimey, look at what they did 2 years ago musically. I'm definitely not booking them. Or a label, I won't have their great new tune because 2 years ago I don't like their music. To me, it seems absolutely bonkers. And even if you were to change direction, it just shows musical journey and progress. And who doesn't want to see an artist who's progressing?